Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. Let's get started. So let's explore some ways on how to make this happen. So firstly, if you're tagged in a story, you can easily share it to your story as well. It will send you a message that you are tagged in someone else's story, and you will be given an option to share that story to your own story. Now, if you can't find a tagged story or if you're not tagged at all, there's another option. And that is firstly, open up a story that you want to share. And then look for the paper airplane icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here, he can share the story with others, so with specific people. However, if you want to post it to your own story, an alternative is check if that account has made a post about the story. So, what you can do is to visit their profile, find the post, click the paper airplane icon, and add it to your story. You can share it once you're satisfied with how your story looks like. But if none of these options work, you can simply resort to screen recording a story or taking a screenshot of that story. So after you do that, you can simply go to Instagram camera and then go to your camera roll and simply post the image or the video on your own story. So it's a workaround if all else fails. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.